Expand and simplify. X minus 2 into 2x plus 5 times x plus 3. So here see, you can select first any two. You can multiply those two and then you can multiply with the third one. So first I'll multiply here x minus 2 times 2x plus 5. So here I'll take x, I'll multiply for both, and I'll get here x into 2x, 2x square, x into 5 is 5x. Now I'll take minus 2, I'll multiply for both. Minus 2 into 2x is minus 4x. Minus into plus, minus 2 times 5 is 10. So if I'll simplify this, 2x square plus 1x minus 10. This I'll multiply with the third one, that is x plus 3. The same thing, I'll take 2x square, I'll multiply for both. So 2x square into x is 2x cube. 2x square into 3 is 2 into 3 is 6x square. Now I'll take x. I'll multiply for both. X into x is x square. X into 3 is 3x. Now the last minus 10, I'll take minus 10, I'll multiply for both. Minus 10 into x is minus 10x, minus into plus, minus 10 into 3, 30. So 2x cube plus 6x square plus 1x square is 7x square, plus 3x minus 10x is minus 7x minus 30. So this is the final answer.